Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to insert the SIM card in iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure your iPhone is powered off before beginning the process. After that, on the right side of your iPhone, you will find the SIM card tray. It is usually near the bottom of the device below the side button. Then use the SIM eject tool that came with your iPhone. If you don't have that tool, a simple small paper clip can also work. Insert the tool into the small hole on the SIM card tray. Apply gentle pressure until the tray pops out slightly. Once the SIM card trays pop out, carefully pull it out the iPhone. Then take your SIM card and place it into the tray. Then make sure the gold contacts on the SIM card face down towards the iPhone when placing it in the tray. Once the SIM card is securely placed in the tray, gently slide the tray back into the SIM card slot on your iPhone and turn on your iPhone. Follow any on-screen instructions to activate your SIM card. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.